Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and checking your mobile device only to see an email that changes absolutely everything. And just like that, your job is gone, your salary stops, but the bills do not stop. Rent is still due, your family still depends on you, and your bank account isn't getting any bigger. Now, here's the question. If that happened to me today and I had absolutely nothing except my laptop, my mobile device, an internet connection, and just 7 days to make my first $100 online, what exactly would I do? Not theory, not motivation, not fake get rich quick tricks. I'm talking about the exact steps I'll follow if I had to start from absolute zero. By the end of this video, you have the same blueprints I'll use myself. So yeah, let's get started. The first mistake most people make after losing a job is they panic. They immediately search for things like, how can I make money today? Easy online jobs, fast money. They end up wasting hours on websites promising thousands of dollars with little effort. The truth is, if making money online were that easy, everyone would already be rich. Instead of chasing shortcuts, I'll focus on one simple question. What can I do that someone is already willing to pay for? Because online income isn't about finding a magical website. It's all about solving a problem. Every dollar earned online comes from helping someone save time, make money, look better, stay organized, or grow their business. Once you understand that, everything becomes much easier. So if I lost my job today, I wouldn't waste time searching for secret websites. Instead, I'm going to focus on becoming useful as quick as possible. On day one, what I'm going to focus on is choosing one skill. The biggest mistake is trying to learn everything all at once. Graphic design, video editing, writing, coding, visual assistance, social media management. That's overwhelming. Instead, I'm going to choose one skill I can learn quickly and start offering almost immediately. If I were starting today, I'll pick something simple but in high demand. For example, writing professional resumes, designing social media posts with Canva, creating presentation slides, editing short form videos, writing product descriptions, creating YouTube thumbnails, and several others out there. These aren't impossible skills that take years to master. With the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud AI, and several other tools out there, you can produce quality work much faster than ever before. Remember, clients don't care how long it took you to complete the work. Instead, they care about the result. On day two, I'm going to be finding people who need help. Now, that's one thing a whole lot of people usually ask. How can you even get someone to, patronize you? How can you get clients who actually needs this? This is where beginners make another mistake. They spend days creating a logo, designing a website, printing business cards, or making everything look perfect. I wouldn't do any of that. Instead, I'll go where people are already looking for help. Platforms like Upwork, Contra, LinkedIn, Fiverr already have businesses searching for freelancers every single day. But I wouldn't be applying for everything. I'll focus on the jobs that match one skill, like I made mention of. I'm going to be offering resume writing, for example. I apply only to resume jobs. If I'm offering thumbnail designs, I apply only for thumbnail projects. Being specific makes it easier for you to reach out to clients and for clients to trust you better. I would also personalize every application instead of copying the same message to everyone. Clients can tell when you've actually read their job post, and that small effort can make a big difference. On day 3 to about day 5, I'm going to be trying to get my first client. The first client is always the hardest. You need to understand this. Not because there aren't opportunities, but because you're just trying to build trust. At this stage, I wouldn't worry about making thousands of dollars. Instead, my goal is simply to get one satisfied client. The first client gives you experience, a review, confidence, and prove that your service works. I'll price my work fairly, not too low, not unrealistically high. Then I'll deliver the projects earlier than promised and communicate clearly throughout the process. Happy clients often come back with more work or recommend you to others. One successful project can lead to many more projects. And then by day 6, I'm not starting from scratch anymore. I've already chosen my skill, applied for many opportunities, and hopefully completed my first project, or at least started conversations with potential clients. Now it's time to improve everything. On day 6, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to look up for every application I sent out. Which ones got replies, which ones were ignored. If no one actually responded, I wouldn't assume that there are no jobs available. Instead, I'm going to assume I need to improve my approach. Maybe my proposal was too generic, maybe I didn't clearly explain how I could help, maybe I applied for jobs that were too competitive. I would make adjustments and send better applications. I would also follow up with clients who haven't responded yet. A simple professional follow-up message can often make the difference because many clients receive dozens of applications and some simply miss yours. At this stage, I'll also start asking myself important questions like, how can I make my service better than yesterday? Maybe I can deliver projects faster, maybe I can improve the design, maybe I can communicate more professionally. Small improvements every day eventually separate successful freelancers from everyone else. I would also begin collecting samples of my work so that every future client has proof of what I can do. That is, I'm going to create a portfolio for myself, probably by using Google Drive, uploading every single thing I do there. So in case of the future, when people actually want to see my work, I can easily send it to them immediately for them to review my work. Because momentum is starting to build and my own goal is to keep it going. And then finally on day 7, what I'm going to be doing is I'm not going to be aiming to become extremely rich. Instead, I'm going to be aiming to prove something to myself, that making money online is real. Whether I've earned the full $100 or I'm halfway there, the biggest win is knowing that someone trusted me enough to pay for my work. That's completely different mindset from endlessly watching videos about making money online without taking action. Once I know I can earn online, the next step becomes much clearer. Instead of chasing every new opportunity, I focus on improving the one that's already working. If resume writing brought me my first clients, I become better at resume writing. If thumbnail design got results, I improve my design skills. If video editing brought in income, I continue building my portfolio. Success online doesn't usually come from doing 10 different things. It comes from doing one valuable thing consistently until people begin recommending you. I'll also set a new goal. The first goal was earning $100. The next goal becomes $500 and then $1,000. Each milestone teaches new lessons and builds more confidence. The important thing is not to stop after the first payment. That's when the real journey begins. So if I woke up tomorrow with no job, no income, no backup plan, this is exactly what I'll do over the next 7 days. I'll stop chasing shortcuts. I'll choose one skill that is in high demand. I'll use AI to help me work smarter and faster. I'll go where clients are already hiring instead of waiting for opportunities to come to me. I'll also focus on delivering great work to my first clients. I'll improve every single day based on feedbacks and experiences, and I'll keep going until the first $100 become the first $1,000. Remember, every successful freelancer, entrepreneur, or online business owner started somewhere. The difference isn't that they know everything. The difference is the fact that they started before they felt completely ready. If you're serious about creating an online income, don't spend another week just collecting information. Choose one skill, take one action today, and let every small win build into something much more bigger. If this video gave you a clear roadmap, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also I want you to share this video with a whole lot of people out there. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel because every week I share practical ways to build online income using real opportunities, useful skills, and AI tools that can help you work smarter. Finally, I have a question for you. If you were to lose your job tomorrow and you had to start from zero, which skill would you choose first? Leave your answer in the comment section. I'd love to see what you choose and I'll be replying to as many comments as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video.